This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Bouse. This 2-bedroom pool home was built in 1983 and building permits show roof replaced in 2016, windows 2013, and AC 2015. The backyard is fenced in with a 6-high chain-link fence. Coral Gardens is close to everything. The beaches are 10 minutes away and so many parks for outside recreation within several miles. I-95 is 6 miles away. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Bouse at 772-283-2800 extension 153.